Shey we don go from potential quadruple to potential only Carabao Cup.
Sir, but Carabao Cup no be potential again now because we don already carry am.
And too, Kochi, you know say Premier League don dey too competitive nowadays. Carabao now na big achievement.
You don mean it?
Yes, sir.
Kochi, the bright side na say Arsenal follow us lose. So na mainly only City dey for our front. Based on say we dey the same points with Arsenal, we go play them for our last game win. Hope still there.
Oh, so bright side even dey?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worry. I dey come. Na go see say even thunder wey strike person get bright side.
Salah, so since when you dey this club, you never sabi say you no suppose follow Kochi talk for this kind matter.
Him no do Nunes anything after him talk. Na why me sef talk now?
Oya now, you go follow collect.
Wait, collect wetin?
Bulala now.
Jesus, na so una dey do for here?
You never see anything.
Una for tell me now?
Wait first, we never sabi wetin you wan do.
Endo, you think say Arsenal na my problem?
Hey!
Everybody knows say Arsenal just dey escort the title. The main problem na City. And now they don climb go top. Only God know whether dem go lose or even draw again.
But Kochi, Bulala no dey for the contract wey I signed o.
Oh, you think say na free money you dey come collect for Liverpool? And you, Salah, Carabao Cup don turn to big achievement for you, abi?
Kochi, that Bulala get chuku for the body o.
Wetin do the chuku?
E fit wunjure person body.
Na wetin I wan make you do? Nowadays Nunes don dey teach you how to mix. Nonsense. Mr. Mrs.
Kochi abeg.
As we don carry Carabao Cup already, na him una wan use do send off for me for the end of season, abi?
No sir, we go try win another one.
Which one again una wan win? Idiot. Van Dijk,
Sir?
how you take dey organize that your back line? Because una don dey chop too much goals.
Kochi, I dey on top the matter.
Which matter?
Kochi, no worry, I go lead the comeback against Atlanta on Thursday.
For their home?
Yes sir.
Una better do am, because if una comot for this Europa Cup, make una no even bother to come back with me. Make una just lost for Italy there.
So, upon everything wey I do to avoid bottling, una don go register new bottling company with CSA.
Hope still there.
Who talk that thing?
Na me, sir. We still dey like.
You go tell me which game City won lose or draw, idiot. And now, coupled with the bottling, we dey go trophyless.
Na Bayern go trophyless.
Who talk that thing? I say who talk that thing before I share bullet give all of una?
Na me, sir. Abeg no shoot me.
Why you talk say Bayern go trophyless?
Because na we go comot dem for Champions League.
That is, we go knock them for Allianz Arena.
Yes, sir.
I like your faith. I go postpone the shooting until after our game with Bayern. If wetin you talk na true, I go cancel the shooting. But if not, everybody go collect at least one bullet each in commemoration of our good season run wey end in another trophylessness.